Hi, I'm John, the Twisted Cuber. Today I'm going to do another unboxing video in the celebration of the 48th anniversary of the release of Star Wars. Before we begin, I hope you hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Alright, let's open this up. I just got this puzzle yesterday from the Cubicle, one of the two main cubing stores in the US. Been thinking about getting this for a little while and decided it was now time to get this done. Alright, so what we have here is the Calvin's Puzzle Ahsoka Megaminx ball. Now a little background on this is in the Ahsoka series when it came out in 2023, Ahsoka had required a star map that could lead them to Grand Admiral Thrawn. The prop of the star map was in fact a Megaminx ball that was painted and had various images placed on it. Calvin's Puzzle put this version out last November. Alright, let's get this out of the box. Okay, let's take a look here. Looks like some of the stickers are a little crumpled there. I'm going to have to keep an eye on that when I work on solving this. So this would be more like a picture Megaminx ball as opposed to a regular Megaminx ball. It does solve the same way as the Megaminx in general, except that since you have the images, you would probably end up having to solve this like a picture cube. So let's just turn this a little bit here. See how this turns? It actually turns pretty well. I'm not going to do too much of a turn because I'm going to want to make note of the different locations of the pieces so I can see whether or not they're all unique or if they're duplicates. So I'm not going to do too much in the turning. But preliminarily, it's definitely turns very well. Should have no problem with that part of it. I'm just not sure how well the stickers are going to hold up with multiple solves. That'd be the only thing that I would have a concern about when it comes to this puzzle. And there you have it. An unboxing video of the Ahsoka Megaminx ball. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, have a great day.